Hello everyone, this is Sam from DATEC Studio. In this video, I want to talk about create cloning repetitive based on your transformation for smart objects. As you know, if I create something, allow me to create a simple layer and simple shape. All right. If I press Ctrl Alt or Command Option T and start transforming something like that, press Enter or Return key to commit. And if I hold on the Shift Control Alt or Shift Command option on the Mac and press T for several times, as you see, it is cloning very well. But you cannot create for smart objects or smart layers has buggy, and after many versions still they didn't fix that. So if I create a new layer again and fill it with same and allow me to convert it to smart object, all right, Control Alt or Command Option T, and let's say some transformation like that. It won't work correctly. Shift Control Alt or Shift Command Option and T, it is not working. And in some cases you might see some transformation or cloning, but it is not about your last transforming you want. So what is the solution? I gave you a simple solution. To do that, first of all, press Ctrl or Command J or go to Layer menu, New and Layer via Copy, and rasterize your copied smart layer. Right click and rasterize layer. Now apply your transformation. Ctrl Alt or Command Option T. Let's say something like that. All right. And delete your both new layers. Doesn't matter actually. I delete that and I just keep my smart layer. Now you could apply that. Shift Control Alt or Shift Command Option and press T. You see, not only working, also your all cloned layers are a smart layer. So that's the trick. Duplicate your smart layer, rasterize it, press Ctrl Alt or Command Option T and do your transformations, delete your rastered layers, and apply your cloning transformation to your original smart layer. Allow me to do with another sample. Let's say we have shape. All right. Let's say we have this and I convert it to smart object. So again, duplicate your layer, Control or Command J, rasterize your layer, right click and rasterize layer, Control Alt or Command Option T, do your transformations, let's say just as scaling and moving, and now delete your rasterized layers 1 and 2. Make sure your smart layer it is selected and Shift Control Alt or Shift Command Option and press T. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you later.